Today we planned to do which chapter? What is our today's plan? Which chapter we will do? Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Isha, what is our plan? Today's plan? Which chapter we will do? I told you we will revise this chapter on Wednesday. Which one? Pooja.
Exponents and
Yes, powers and exponents. We are going to revise powers and exponents. Shall we start? Okay, so you take a new page. Take a new page and write MCQ2 revision notes. MCQ2 revision notes. Chapter 12, powers and exponents. MCQ2 revision notes, chapter 12, powers and exponents. And these sheets you have to attach with your notes. Chapter 12 notes you have to attach. Okay. So we will start. We will. 1 second. Chapter 12, exponents and powers. Chapter 12, exponents and powers. So definition, Adikesh, read.
an exponent has two components.
Two
Base
components.
exponent.
B raised to x. B raised to the power. We can read it as B raised to the power x. And x is known as exponent and B is
Base.
B is base. I will show you some more examples. And here definition for exponent and base. Please wait 1 second. Some are waiting. Please. Okay. Okay, Advait Sinoop, read what is exponent. Exponent is what? Read it.
Exponent, the value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by
Yes. Exponent is that value which specify how many times the base has been multiplied itself. If 2 raised to 3, which means what? We have to multiply 2 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to, we can write it as 2 raised to 3. So exponent is that value which specifies how many times the base has been multiplied by itself. And Advait, read what is base. Advait, Sinoop, what is base?
the number of variables that is being multiplied repeatedly with the
Base is the number or variable. Base is the number or variable. B raised to n. Here B is base and it is a variable. Here B is multiplied n times. So base is the number. It can be a number or a variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form. 2 raised to 3, we will write 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. Okay. See, here you can see 3 raised to 2. 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent. 3 raised to 2, which is equal to, we are multiplying 3 twice. 3 into 3, 2 3s. 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 3 square, 2 is exponent and 2 is exponent and 3 is the base. Okay. Some
Put
more
on your
examples.
videos, some of you. Videos switch on. Nadeem,
Focus.
Mohammed Salim, Anjana, Amras, Nadeem Jahan, Amras.
Nadeem, switch on your video. Amras.
Amras, what picture have you kept there?
Okay. So here some more examples. All these are exponent examples for exponent. 3 raised to 4. 4 is exponent. 3 is base. 3 into 3 into 3. We are multiplying 3 4 times. Here are some examples. Okay. Now, powers with negative exponent. Powers with negative exponent. It is an important topic. What can we do when x power is a negative number? X raised to negative b equal to 1 by x raised to b. Abid, read x raised to, read.
X raised to negative is equal to 1 by x raised to b.
X raised to b. When the power is negative number, you just put its reciprocal and change the 1 by x raised to b. Change the sign of the power. Change the sign of the power. X raised to negative b is equal to 1 by x raised to b. So x raised to negative 3 will be 1 by x raised to 3. Okay. So Nandana Sharath, y raised to negative 5 will be equal to what? Y raised to negative 5 is equal to 1 by, loudly. I can't hear you, but I can see your lip movement. 1 by y raised to 5. I think your mic has some problem. Sridev, P raised to negative 10 equal to, P raised to negative 10 equal to
1 by p raised to 10.
1 by P raised to 10. Okay, now Lakshmi Nandagumar.
Yes, ma'am.
6 raised to negative x will be equal to what? 6 raised to negative x will be equal to
Ma'am, 1 by 6 raised to x.
6 raised to x. So for change, if whenever you see a negative exponent, you can write 1 divided by, change the sign of the exponent. 1 divided, here are the examples. X raised to negative 3 equal to 1 by x raised to 3. 6 raised to minus x equal to 1 by 6 raised to x. Okay. Pooja, read.
X raised to negative 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by x raised to
3 by 2. Okay. Okay, you can see this 2 raised to negative 3. 2 raised to negative 3 equal to 2 raised to negative 3 equal to, it is 1 by 2 raised to 3. 1 by 2 raised to 3. Or we can write it is 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3. 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3. We are writing the reciprocal of the base. Writing the reciprocal of the base, then change the sign of the exponent. So steps are reciprocal of the integer is 2 and it is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. The negative exponent becomes positive exponent. Okay, these are the two steps to change the negative exponent. First of all, write its reciprocal, then change the sign of the exponent. Okay, okay, Nashura, understood? Okay. Okay, next is very important law. Zero law of exponent. Isha, read. What is zero law of exponent?
Ma'am, any base powered by 0 exponent equals to 1.
Any base powered by 0 exponent equal to 1. Any quantity raised to 0 equal to 1. Here examples, 112 raised to 0 equal to 1. 5 by 7 raised to 0 equal to 1. Flower raised to 0 equal to 1. Any quantity raised to 0 equal to 1. I will give you examples. 2367 raised to 0 equal to what? Abid? Equal to what, Abid?
1.
Abid?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal to what?
1.
1. And next is can
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 2 the whole raised to negative 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole raised to negative 2 plus 4 by 5 the whole raised to negative 3 the whole raised to this quantity raised to 0 equal to what, Ken? Equal to Ken? Where is he? Ken? No. Irene, what is this value of this one? 1 by 2 raised to negative 1, 3.
I'm one, ma'am.
Okay, Ken,
I'm
okay.
one.
Okay, Ken, okay. Is equal to 1. So, any quantity raised to 0 equal to 1. Now, next is laws of exponent. We have thoroughly studied that time. Laws of exponents. Once again, we will revise before starting the problems. Okay? Laws of exponents. First one is who will read? Anjana, Tamanna, Nadeem. All of you switch on your video. Anjana, can you hear me? Amras, Nadeem. Okay, Tamanna, read. Tamanna, you read.
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n.
M plus n. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here the bases are same, a. Both the bases are a. The exponents are different. So a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m plus n. Okay. So Amras.
Yes, ma'am.
2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 will be equal to what, Amras? 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is 2 raised to 7, that is 3 plus 4. M plus n equal to 2 raised to 7. Okay. We will do more problems after going through all the laws. We will start problems. Okay. 1 second, please wait. Next one is, next one, who will read? Lynette, read it. Lynette.
A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n.
M minus n, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So Lynette,
Yes, ma'am.
Lynette, 3 raised to negative 7 divided by 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to negative 7 divided by 3 raised to 2 is equal to what, Lynette?
3 raised to
3 raised
negative
to
7
negative 7
minus
minus
2
2 equal to
3 raised to negative 9.
3 raised to negative 9. So read the law once again, Lynette.
A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n.
N, a raised to m minus n. Okay. Then next one is Advait Murali. Okay. Read it.
A raised to 0 is
Equal to 1. We have already explained any quantity raised to 0 is 1. Advait, read the next. Advait.
and a raised to m by the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn.
Mn, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Lakshmi CV, Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
So give the answer. 5 raised to negative 3, the whole raised to 4 equal to what, Lakshmi?
Ma'am,
5 raised to
5 raised to negative 3 into 4.
negative 3 into 4 equal to
5 raised to negative 12.
5 negative 12. 5 raised to negative 12.
Then 1
And
by 5 raised to 12.
yes, good. Then this we can write 1 by, very good, 1 by 5 raised to 12. Very good. Okay. Now, Ritvik. Ritvik. 6
Ma'am.
6 raised to 9. 6 raised to 9. The whole raised to negative 1 by 3. What will be the answer? Simplify it. 6 raised to 9. The whole raised to negative 1 by 3 will be equal to what, Ritvik? Ritvik. No, it's not there. Kenin. Kenin. No. Or Amaljit. Amaljit. Give the answer. Amaljit. Okay. This video is on. Amaljit, 6 raised to 9. The whole raised to negative 1 by 3. It will be equal to? Try.
6 raised to
6 raised to
9 into 1 by negative
9
1 by 3.
into negative 1 by 3. So this will be equal to? This will be equal to? Equal to? Okay, do it. No problem, take your own time. 9 into negative 1 by 3. It will be equal to, the power will be? Mm. 9 into negative 1 by 3. 9 into power is 9 into negative 1 by 3. It is equal to what, Amaljit?
Negative 9 by 3.
Negative 9 by 3, and it is equal to? And it is equal to? It is equal to what? Negative 9 by 3.
Who got the answer?
Can.
Nobody.
Ma'am.
Anybody got answer? Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it like
Yes.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Negative 3. We can cancel 3 here. 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So it is negative 3. Amaljit, where is he?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can cancel 3. So it is negative 3. So 6 raised to negative 3. And it is equal to what, Amaljit? Again, it is equal to. It is equal to?
6 raised 1 by 6 raised to 3.
1 by 6 raised to 3. 1 by 6 raised to 3. Okay. Next is Suryadev. Read. Suryadev.
A raised to m
Read
into
it.
b raised a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a b raised to
Once again.
a raised to m
Read.
a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a raised to the whole raised to m.
AB. Once again read. I can't hear you properly. Read once again. A raised to m.
A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a b whole raised to m.
Okay, a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab. AB means it is Advait. Advait Murali.
Into B.
AB means it is a into b. Okay, AB the whole raised to m. AB means it is a into b. So here the base are different, a and b, but the exponent is same, m. So a raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab the whole raised to m. Nivedya. Nivedya.
Ma'am.
Nivedya. 3 raised to Nivedya, 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 7 into 4 raised to 7 equal to 3 raised to 7 into 4 raised to 7 equal to
3 into 4 whole raised to 7.
3 into 4, 3 into 4 the whole raised to 7, and it is equal to
12 raised to 7.
12 raised to 7. Now Albert.
Yes, ma'am.
Albert, negative 2 raised to negative 4. Negative 2 raised to negative 4 into 3 raised to negative 4 equal to what, Albert? Negative 2 raised to negative 4. 3 raised to negative 4 equal to
Ma'am, negative 2, 3 whole raised to negative 4.
negative 2 into 3 the whole raised to negative 4, and it is equal to
Negative 6 raised to negative 4.
negative 6 raised to negative 4, and it is equal to
6 raised to 4.
negative 6 raised to negative 4 is equal to, think. Negative 6 raised to negative 4 is equal to, wait.
Ma'am, 1 by negative 6 raised to 4.
Yes, 1 by negative 6 raised to 4, or we can write it as negative 1 by 6 the whole raised to 4. Negative 1 by 6 the whole raised to 4. Okay. Now this one we have already explained. X raised to negative n equal to 1 by x raised to n. Okay. Once again, the laws of exponents are, first one, Advait. First one, Advait Sinoob, first one. Say, laws of exponents. Say the first one. Advait. Unmute and say first law. Say. Which was the first law? Anashwara Rajesh, first law. Anashwara.
A raised to m and a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n.
A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, Advait Sinoop, read. Advait.
A raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n.
Advait, you do one thing. Advait, can you hear me? Advait, do one thing. Write all the laws of exponent 3 times today itself. Before your lunch and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, Advait? Okay, good. Next, okay, Amin, next law.
A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus.
Yes, a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Isha, next one.
Ma'am, a raised to m by b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m.
Once again.
Ma'am, a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m.
AB whole raised to m. Next, Suryadev, next one.
A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn.
A raised to mn. Then Isha told which one? A raised to m into b raised to m equal to a b raised to m. Then Anashwara. Anashwara has some problem, I think.
A raised to 0 is equal to 1.
Okay. A raised to 0 equal to 1. And a bit last. One more law we have studied. Which was that? A bit. A bit. Amras. One more this there. Which was that? Unmute and say Amras. Which was that? Henin. One more is there. Which was that? Henin. Amras and Abit write all the laws of exponent 3 times and send.
A raised to m divided by b raised to m.
A raised to m divided by b raised to m equal to? What was that?
A into b whole raised to m.
Once again repeat it. I think it is a new law. What is it? Who's saying this? Abit or Amras? Is it Abit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, for you. Yes, tell me.
A raised to m divided by b raised to m.
B raised to m equal to? Equal to what?
A minus b raised to m.
A minus b. From where you got this? It is there in your book? It is there in your book. This is wrong. But a raised to m by b raised to m we can write. How can we write this? Lynette?
Ma'am.
How can we write?
A by b whole raised to m.
That we can write a by b whole raised to m. We can write a by b whole raised to m is a raised to m by b raised to m. Abid, this is wrong. A minus b the whole raised to m is wrong. Abid. Lynette, which one is the next one?
Ma'am, a raised to negative x is equal to 1 by a raised to x.
A raised to
Negative x.
Negative x, or a raised to negative n is equal to 1 by a raised to
1 by
n.
a raised to
1 by a raised to n. So these are the laws of exponents. In this lesson, we have only these things to study, and all others are problems. Okay, using these examples, exponential laws, using these laws, we can do all the problems. So first of all, you must be thorough with this law. Okay, Amras, read all the laws once. Read it. All of you write in your book. It is there in your notes. Okay, but once again you write. Amras, read.
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n.
Then say. Amras, write 3 times and send to my WhatsApp number. It is there in your book. Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Laws of exponents are?
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to n into n. X raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 by x raised to n. A raised to 0 is equal to 1.
Okay. Tom Joes. Tom Joes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the laws of exponents?
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m. X raised to negative n is equal to 1 raised to x by n. X raised to 0 is equal to 1.
Okay. Now we will do some problems. Okay. Using these laws of exponents, we can do some problems. Right. First question. First question. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Inverse of. So find the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to negative 4, 2 raised to negative 4, 10 raised to negative 5, 10 raised to negative 5, 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2, and 10 raised to negative 100. Multiplicative inverse means it is the reciprocal. Yes, Advaita, reciprocal. So here to get the multiplication inverse, when we are dealing with the powers, you just change the sign of the exponent. While when you change the sign of the exponent, you will get its multiplicative inverse. Okay. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to negative 4? Multiplicative inverse is?
2 raised to 4.
2 raised to?
54.
2 raised to 4. Multiplicative inverse is 2 raised to 4. Okay, right? For getting multiplicative inverse, change the sign of the exponent. Only that much. Very simple. 2 raised to negative 4. Its multiplicative inverse is 2 raised to 4. Right, others? Second answer?
10 raised to 5.
10 raised to 5.
7 raised to negative 2.
7 raised to negative 2.
And
10 raised to
10
100.
raised to 100.
10 raised to 100. Good. So multiplicative inverse, for getting multiplicative inverse, just change the sign of the power. Okay. Next, write, simplify and write in exponential form. Simplify and write in exponential form. Exponential form. Simplify and write in exponential form. First question is negative 2 raised to 3, negative 3 into negative 2 raised to negative 4. Negative 2 raised to negative 3 into negative 2 raised to negative 4. 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to negative 5 into 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 6. Third question is p raised to 3 into p raised to negative 10. Here, which law can we apply? The first law, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to
A raised to
a raised to m plus n. So here we will do negative 2 raised to negative 3 plus negative 4. That is negative 2 raised to negative 7. That is 1 by negative raised to 7 or negative 1 by 2 the whole raised to 7. Negative 1 by 2. So this much you can do simplification. If the question is simplify, you can write in the exponential form. If the question is evaluate, you have to multiply and find out the answer. Okay. Second answer will be 3 raised to 2 plus 3 terms are there. Negative 5 plus 6.
6.
So it is 3 raised to
Raised to
2 plus
3.
6, 8. 8 plus negative 5. So it is 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3. And this one, p raised to 3 plus negative 10. Negative 10. So p raised
Negative 7.
and it is equal
P.
to 1 by p raised to 7.
7.
1 by p raised to 7. Next question. Over?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 5 raised to negative 1. 5 raised to negative 1 divided by 5 raised to negative 2. 5 raised to negative 2. Or we can write it this way, 5 raised to, for applying direct application of a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So it is 5 raised to negative n minus minus 2. 5 raised to negative n
Minus 2.
plus
Raised
2.
to 1 to 1 plus 2. To 1 is equal to 5.
5. 5 raised to 1, which means it is 5.
5.
2 2 raised to negative 2 raised to negative 3 into 3 raised to negative 3 is
into 3 raised to negative 3.
2 raised to negative 3 into 3 raised to negative 3. We can get 2 into 3, the whole raised to negative 3. 6 raised to negative 3. 6
Negative 3
raised
is
to
equal
negative
to
3 is 1 by
1 by 6 raised to 3.
1 by 6 raised to 3. Okay, so today we go through all